Oceans, which cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface, represent the largest and least explored zone of our planet. Despite its vast size, less than 5% of the ocean floor has been explored in detail. The oceans are home to diverse ecosystems and countless species, many of which are still undiscovered. The depths of the ocean hide mysterious landscapes, unusual geological formations, unknown organisms, and phenomenal natural phenomena that are still an enigma for scientists. Exploring these dark and deep waters requires advanced technology and innovative methods. But with each new discovery, we realize how little we know about this crucial part of our planet. The underwater Yonaguni Monument, located off the coast of Japan, were discovered in 1986 and represent one of the greatest mysteries of the sea depths. Monument structures contain flat surfaces, sharp angles, and symmetrical shapes, which makes them extremely intriguing. The formations include massive stepped platforms, which appear to have been carefully carved, which has led to much speculation as to their origin. There are two main theories about the origin of these structures. The first theory suggests that the Yonaguni Monument are a natural phenomenon, formed by geological processes such as tectonic activity and erosion. Another theory, however, claims that these structures are the work of an ancient civilization, lost to history and submerged during some cataclysmic event. This theory fuels the fascination with the idea of lost cities and advanced ancient cultures. Although the scientific community has not reached a consensus, the underwater Yonaguni Monument continues to attract explorers and adventurers from all over the world. The Bermuda Triangle, an area in the Atlantic Ocean between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, is known for mysterious disappearances of ships and planes. Similarly, the Devil's Sea, located in the Pacific off the coast of Japan, has seen similar unexplained disappearances. In both areas, ships and planes disappear without a trace, often without any sign of distress, which has fueled numerous theories and speculations. Although both areas are known for mysterious disappearances, there are certain differences. The Bermuda Triangle is often associated with stories of magnetic anomalies, unusual weather conditions, and possible underwater structures that create navigational hazards. On the other hand, the Devil's Sea has deeper roots in Japanese folklore and legends, and is often mentioned in the context of paranormal activity and dragons from mythology. Both regions inspire fascination and fear, and scientific research continues to try to explain these phenomena through the analysis of natural phenomena such as underwater volcanoes, geological activity, and complex weather patterns. The Sargasso Sea, located in the Atlantic Ocean, is unique in that it is surrounded by ocean currents that create a stable area of calm water. This sea is home to huge amounts of brown algae, known as sargassum, which create floating islands. These islands provide habitat and food for numerous marine organisms, including fish, seabirds, and turtles. Scientific research and unsolved questions despite its importance. The Sargasso Sea remains relatively unexplored. Scientists are studying its unique ecological systems and the impact of climate change on this sensitive ecosystem. There are many unsolved questions, such as the dynamics of food webs, the impact of pollution, and the role of this sea in global oceanic processes. The Baltic anomaly, discovered in 2011, is an unusual oval object found at the bottom of the Baltic Sea. The object has dimensions of about 60 meters and unusual characteristics that resemble some form of technology or structure. The researchers noted that the object appeared unnatural, with smooth surfaces and rectangular shapes. Possible theories and hypotheses. There are several theories about the origin of the Baltic anomaly. Some believe it is a natural geological formation, perhaps the result of glacial activity. Others suggest it could be a human artifact, such as a wrecked ship or submarine. The most speculative theories include the possibility that it is an alien object. Research is still ongoing, but the lack of clear answers has fueled numerous speculations and conspiracy theories. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, is located in the Pacific Ocean and reaches a depth of about 11 kilometers. Research in this extreme environment has revealed many unknown life forms, adapted to high pressures, low temperatures, and total darkness. Microorganisms, unusual fish, and crustaceans reveal the incredible biodiversity and adaptability of life. Challenges of deep ocean exploration faces numerous challenges. Extreme conditions require special equipment and technology, such as autonomous submarines and advanced sensors. Financial investment and logistical challenges also limit the scope of research. Despite these obstacles, each new discovery adds to our understanding of life on Earth and can potentially have broad implications for science, medicine, and technology. The bloop is one of the most famous mysterious sounds recorded in the oceans. First detected in 1997 by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, this sound is characterized by very low frequencies and extremely high volume, and has been recorded by several underwater hydrophone stations located at distances of over 5,000 kilometers. Initial theories about the origin of the bloop range from the possibility of volcanic activity, underwater earthquakes, all the way to incredible speculations about huge, as yet unknown sea creatures. Further research by NOAA and other scientific institutions focused on geophysical processes to explain the bloop. Bioluminescence is the ability of living organisms to produce light, and this phenomenon is particularly pronounced in the oceans. Many marine species, including some species of fish, jellyfish, squid, and microorganisms, use bioluminescence for various purposes, such as attracting prey, defense against predators, and communication. These organisms produce light through a chemical reaction between luciferin and luciferase, which results in the emission of light in various colors, most commonly blue and green, which are best suited for transmission through water. The sea of milk phenomenon is a mysterious natural event where large areas of the ocean become illuminated by a soft, white light. This phenomenon is rarely recorded, but historical records and recent seafarers' testimonies indicate its occurrence. Scientists believe that the Milky Sea is caused by the massive bioluminescent activities of Vibrio harveyi bacteria, which multiply in huge colonies and glow and sink. Research into the Milky Sea phenomenon is difficult due to its rarity and inaccessibility. But satellite images and reports from ships are helping scientists better understand and study this enigmatic phenomenon. Giant squid, Architeuthis ducks, are among the most fascinating creatures in the oceans, known for their enormous size that can reach up to 13 meters in length. Despite their imposing presence, very little is known about their life cycle. Giant squid are rarely seen alive, and most information comes from studying dead specimens washed ashore or caught in fishing nets. Deep waters exploration of the deep oceans is constantly discovering new species, including unusual marine organisms adapted to extreme conditions. Each new discovery adds to the understanding of the biodiversity and ecosystems of the deep sea, and scientists use advanced technology such as underwater robots and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, to explore these inaccessible areas. The giant oarfish, Regalicus glesn, is the longest bony fish in the world, which can reach a length of up to 11 meters. This fish lives in deep water and is rarely seen, making it a mysterious creature. Its length and appearance often gave rise to legends about sea serpents among sailors. Sightings of the giant oarfish are rare, but each encounter arouses interest and excitement. In Japanese mythology, Giant oarfish are considered harbingers of earthquakes, which further adds to their mystique. These creatures are fascinating not only for their size and rarity, but also for their influence on cultural legends and myths.